Hey guys, today we're gonna unbox Disney Princesses figurine playset.
Let's do it now.
Okay, here we go.
Here we go.
Look who we got in there. Let's open it up and let's find out. Excited, Juliet?
Yeah!
Who's gonna be your favorite princess in there?
Ariel.
Ariel.
Ariel and Jasmine.
Why is she always your favorite?
Matt.
Let's see here.
Remember we did a surprise egg video?
Yeah, we did do a surprise egg video. We need everybody to check out our surprise egg video.
Daddy, they're so sparkly. This one and this one is
Can you
not
name them all?
sparkly.
Can you name them all the princesses?
Bella, Jasmine, Rapunzel, and Ariel. Belle. Jasmine.
Who is this one?
Rapunzel.
Sacagawea, isn't it? Or Pocahontas, I mean.
Pocahontas.
It's Pocahontas.
Let's untie them.
Okay. Woo! Hey, Pocahontas! Wait, we gotta take off this plastic thing on her legs. Wait,
I'm gonna take it out.
can you get it? Next, let's take out Ariel.
I can't know how to do it.
You can't know how to do it?
No.
I can help you. I think you mean you don't know how to do it.
I don't know how to do it.
Okay, here's Ariel. Let me see this one. I'll take
Ariel.
this off here.
Ariel,
There we
so
go.
sparkly, glittery.
Hey, I'm Pocahontas. Where's Ariel? You want to play, Ariel?
Jasmine's gonna come.
Okay, let's set him up here.
Jasmine's gonna come.
Okay, let's get Jasmine out.
Jasmine wanted to go out for a long time.
She did?
Yeah.
She was trapped in there for a long time, huh?
Yeah.
The jail person put her in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you're right. Who is this one, Belle?
Belle. Hi.
Where's Doggy Woof Woof? If you guys haven't seen our video about Belle and Doggy Woof Woof, click on the link at the end. That's a good one. Okay, who's this one? This is Rapunzel. Yeah, look
Yes,
at her long
Rapunzel.
hair. And we got one more. And this is Aurora, you said?
Yeah.
She has a bow and arrow?
Yeah, she has a bow and arrow.
What does she do with her bow and arrow?
She stick it to the princess.
She shoots the other princesses.
No.
She protects the other princesses?
Yes, she does.
Well, that is nice of
She
her.
fix it so the monsters don't come and get them.
Yeah, we don't want the monsters to come and get them. Who's your favorite princess out of all of them? You like them all? This little guy, it's like a koala bear.
Koala bear.
And we got a strawberry shortcake doll. That's Blueberry, right? What's her name? Blueberry
Blueberry.
short. Is it Blueberry shortcake or just Blueberry?
Blueberry. It's blueberry shortcake.
And then look who else we got. Snoopy.
Snoopy, Snoopy, Snoopy.
Snoopy's here.
Stuffy, 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 Stuffy.
Who else do we got?
Stuffy.
Stuffy? Okay.
Lala Loopsy.
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 princess friend?
Yeah, because Lara Lucy is a princess too.
Yeah, you're right. Who else do we have here today? I see Superman back there. What's he doing back there?
He's trying to hide.
Is he gonna go save all the princesses?
No, she's gonna save the princesses.
Oh, Aurora is? Okay.
She saved them. They're in her castle.
Oh, okay.
She locked the door so the jail persons don't come again.
Yeah, those jail persons are mean, aren't they?
Yeah, she locked the door.
We don't want them.
And she put the shelf on her door.
Hey, who is this lady?
That's Superman.
Superwoman?
Yeah. Actually, Superman saved the pups and animals.
Okay.
Where's Ariel? Where's Ariel? Where's Jasmine? Where's Jasmine? Ah! It's fine, okay?
We had an earthquake in Princess Land.
Where's Rapunzel? Where's Rapunzel?
Hey, look at this. Here comes the scary zombie guy. Ah! Look at you, princesses. Yay, Aurora saved the day. Superman! Hey, princesses, do you need any help?
No, but we already have help.
Okay. Oh, somebody's calling on the Minnie Mouse phone. You better answer it.
Hi there, it's me, Minnie Mouse.
Hello.
Oh my, what a good choice.
Hello?
Isn't this fun? You can always find what you need in Minnie's boutique. I love shopping with you.
Say goodbye to Minnie.
Goodbye, Minnie.
Here, I'll hang up the phone. Okay. What else do we want to play with today? What about this doggy guy? Does he work still? Oh, let's turn him on. Okay. What happened to him? Did his batteries die?
Yes. We gotta put new batteries.
Oh, he's the princess's pet doggy, huh?
This is the battery spot. His brother's the battery spot.
Oh, that's silly.
Oh. Jasmine? Jasmine? Jasmine! Jasmine!
Yes.
Sure. What? Help! The police cars are coming. Ah! Da, 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 da. I'm a castle. I locked it up.
Do the princesses want a cupcake?
Oh, sure.
Pocahontas liked that one, huh? I'm Pocahontas, I love cupcakes. I'm Belle, I love cupcakes too. I'm Rapunzel, I also love cupcakes. I'm Ariel, I love cupcakes too. I'm Jasmine, I love cupcakes even more. What about Aurora? Oh, I like cupcakes too. Now they need a baby bottle drink.
Ah! They're not babies.
See that milk bottle? Yeah, but they need a drink from it. Okay, I think they're all full now. Okay, that's it for this video. Say bye.
Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, right? For more super fun videos. Bye for now.